You've heard of Dogecoin, and maybe even Tonfish. And if you've spent more than 5 minutes in a crypto Telegram group, you've probably seen a dozen of Memecoins being hyped today alone. But here's what most people don't realise. These joke coins, these internet tokens, they've created actual millionaires. And just as often, they've wiped out life savings in hours. This isn't just a crypto comic relief, it's a phenomenon. And it's changing how people interact with value. Some investors ignore it, some traders laugh at it. But smart players, they study it. Because Memecoins are becoming the mirror of the entire market. Raw emotion, hype, fear, greed, and occasionally magic. Today we're going deep inside the Memecoin economy. Not just what they are, but how they move, why they explode, and how to spot them early. And the most important, how to not get caught holding the bag. By the end of this video, you'll understand what drives these tokens. You'll learn how to read the signals, and you'll walk away with a strategy that could keep you safe or even profitable in the wildest corner of the cryptos. But let's start with the basics. What is a Memecoin? A Memecoin is a cryptocurrency built on community, humor, and virality. Usually launched without a white paper, without a roadmap, but with a logo, a meme, and a dream. Dogecoin was the first. It began in 2013 as a parody of Bitcoin. Infinite supply, no serious dev team, just fun. Then it grew. Elon tweeted, and one day it passed an actual fortune over 500 companies in market cap. Then came Shiba Inu, so they call it the Doge Killer. It added staking, NFTs, even an ecosystem. And now we have wave 3, Tonfish, Grok, Dog with Hat. These memes are born in Telegram chats, pumped on Twitter, and sometimes listed on exchange within days. Literally, Memecoins flipped the script. In DeFi, we say product first, but in memes, hype first, community first, and maybe product later. But are they scams? Not always. But are they risky? Always. They don't need utility, they only need momentum. Let's start off with the rise of Tonfish, and let's break it down. Tonfish launched out of nowhere. No tokenomic page, no white paper, not even a real site when it hit Twitter. But it exploded. Why? Because it was funny, it was weird, and people talked about it. Influencers shared it, meme accounts launched on it. Within hours, Telegram groups were full. Volume spiked, and the price went vertical. Some traders times 10, others FOMO'd in and lost a 90% within days. The irony, there was no pitch, no promise, just a meme and momentum. This is the new Memecoin strategy. Launch fast, memes first, maybe build later, maybe never. It's not about fundamentals, it's about being viral. And now I'm going to explain you the Memecoin lifecycle. Stealth or soft launch, hype on social media, influence wave, price spikes, FOMO, exit by insiders, dump, ghost town. It's fast, it's brutal, and it happens every single week. Sometimes in 24 hours, sometimes in 6. But the key is, don't get caught in the retail phase, buying after the hype has peaked. These coins are driven by emotions, no logic. They don't obey charts, they obey memes. Drop a comment back down below. What's the dumbest Memecoin you've bought? I'll reply every one and maybe read a few in the next video. So now we know this, how do we spot a Memecoin early? Here's my checklist. Is the Memecoin actually funny? Is it showing up on multiple Twitter accounts? Is the Telegram active or is it just bots? Is the market cap under 5 million? And is the liquidity blocked? I use tools like Dex Tools or Bird Eye to check chart activity and whale entries. And they watch for sudden surge in the volume, not price. Volume tells you where the money is entering. Price tells you when it's already too late. Here's a tip. If you feel FOMO, it's already too late. If you're calm, early, and patient, you might just catch the next rocket. But always remember, 99 of these coins die. So treat Memecoins like what they are, high volatile flips, no long-term investments. Let's be real, should you buy these things? Maybe. If you're experienced, if you're using risk management, and if you have a trading plan. But if you're a beginner hoping to get rich quick, you mostly like to become someone else's exit liquidity. Start with learning real trading. Try Coinex, practice with spot orders, learn charts, then if you want, experiment with Memecoins on the side. Me personally, I always have a separate wallet just for these meme plays, with an amount that I'm totally okay to lose. And here's the golden rule: take profits, and take profits, and take profits again. If you don't, someone else will. Memecoins are wild, they're chaotic, they're hilarious, and sometimes they're profitable. But they're not for everyone. They move fast, they punish greed, and they reward timing. So if this video helped you to understand the space better, smash that like button, subscribe for weekly insights like this one, and share it with that one friend who keeps aping into coins with names like Banana Chims 9000. Thanks for watching, stay safe, stay smart, and whatever you do, don't get rugged.